How to get Ticketmaster tickets fast. I'm going to tell you how to get Ticketmaster tickets fast. When tickets go live, every second counts. So prep starts early. First, create a Ticketmaster account and make sure you're already signed in before the sale. Add your billing info and save it. Manual entry wastes time. Know the exact time ticket drops and log in 10 to 15 minutes early. Join the queue the moment it opens and don't refresh once you're in. Ticketmaster's queue system can boot you out if you do. Use a stable Wi-Fi or even better, a wired connection. If the event offers a pre-sale code, sign up early through fan clubs or newsletters. Pre-sales often have less traffic and better chances. And if you strike out, don't give up. Keep checking the page for released tickets. Failed payments and bots getting booted can send tickets back into the pool.